How to make sure your divorce paperwork is legally sound. Hi, I'm Tim Blankenship with Divorce661.com. Filing for divorce involves a lot of paperwork, and any mistakes can lead to delays, rejections, or legal complications. If you want to ensure your divorce paperwork is legally sound, it's important to follow the right process and double-check everything before submitting. Today we'll go over how to make sure your divorce paperwork is filed correctly and avoid common pitfalls. The first step is to complete all required forms accurately. In California, divorce paperwork includes forms such as the petition, FL 100, summons, FL 110, and financial disclosures, FL 150 and FL 142. If any of these forms are incomplete or contain errors, your case may be rejected by the court, causing delays in the process. Another key factor is proper service of documents. California law requires that your spouse be officially served with divorce papers, and failing to follow the correct service procedures can result in your case being delayed or even dismissed. Once served, proof of service must be filed with the court to confirm that the other party has been properly notified. We've worked with clients who tried to handle their divorce paperwork on their own, but ran into problems due to missing forms or incorrectly filed documents. In one case, a couple assumed they had completed everything, only to find out months later that their settlement agreement was missing mandatory legal language, causing their judgment to be rejected. Once we corrected the errors and refiled, their divorce was finalized without further issues. At Divorce 661, we specialize in preparing and reviewing legally sound divorce paperwork to help clients avoid delays and errors. We ensure that all necessary documents are correctly completed, properly filed, and compliant with California court requirements. Recently, we helped a client who had multiple rejected filings due to missing financial disclosures. After reviewing their case, we corrected the paperwork, ensured compliance with court rules, and had their divorce finalized within weeks. If you want to make sure your divorce paperwork is legally sound and avoid unnecessary delays, we can help. Visit Divorce661.com today for a free consultation, and let's get your divorce paperwork filed correctly the first time.